This is the quickest way to get a cut crease in under 5 minutes. I'm going to show you a quick hack in this video. So if you're interested, let's get to it. First we need to prime our eyelids, and I'm using the Trini London concealer in the shade Santa, and I'm applying this all over the lid. This helps even out the skin tone. We are going to be using our lash curler for this hack, and this is by Lily Lashes. Going in with the Colourpop E4 brush and the Natasha Denona Roxa palette with the shade Eclipse, I'm going to be applying the shade just to this half and not to the entire lash curler. Saturate the lash curler and now stamp it on the eyelid. Just like that. Now with the other side of the lash curler, we are going to create a slight wing. This is how your eye should look. And now with the Sigma smudge brush and the shade Eclipse, we are going to be buffing out the color. We have finished mapping the shadows. Now we just need to blend it to look a bit more seamless. The more shade you apply, the deeper the color is going to look, and that will give you a good contrast as well. Keep smudging and blending as much as you like. Maintain the contrast though. Now with the Refer 14 brush, we're going to buff the colors into the skin tone. This will make it look a bit more soft rather than being very harsh. And from the corner, you want to buff the shade going into the eyelid. This is how your eye should look. Now with the same shade Eclipse, we're going to be applying that to the lower lash line. With the ABH eye primer, we're going to cut the crease just where we mapped it out. Use a flat brush because this can make or break the eye look. Fill in just half of the eyelid. Now with the Morphe A18 brush and the shade Flutter, we're going to be applying that to the inner corner of the eye. Now with the shade Brink, let's apply that to the next half of the eye. With the shade Orchid, we're going to be applying that in whatever space there is. Back in with the shade Eclipse, we're just going to blend that in so that it looks very seamless and put together. Look at how those eyes are looking. Isn't it just so easy? Now you can create a wing if you like. This is completely optional and it depends on the eye look you're going for. Going in with the Hourglass Gel Eyeliner, we're going to apply that to the lower lash line and tight line the upper lash line. Curl your lashes. Apply your favorite mascara. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. And look at how easy the eye look is. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye.